And now the spirits are aware.
I like that you can see the laser.
Yeah. It's a good shooting gallery.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, that was sweet.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Cool. What happened there?
Oh, somebody in there.
It's hard to pay attention to what happens. You're so busy shooting. I turned the light on.
Nice.
See that?
Yeah. Oh, there he comes up.
Watch this one. It does it. Yep.
Nice.
Oh my. I just got blasted with air. Look at that. Look.
Yeah, cool.
This is a horrific night.
There we go.
And then right outside the exit of Thunderbolt is Ghostwood Estate, which is a shooting gallery, like a haunted shooting gallery. And I have to say, we've been to a lot of shooting galleries, and this is probably one of my favorite ones.
It's a good shooting gallery.
It's themed really well. You can actually see your laser and where it's pointed at.
It reminds me more, I was going to say, of kind of like where a shooting gallery where you just have the table in a park, but they actually turned it into a complete ride.
Yes, it is like that. The only thing then that takes away from that is you're so busy focused on shooting and hitting the targets that you sort of can't pay attention to what's going on around you. So I would say it takes 2 or 3 rides just to kind of be able to look at everything and get a feel for it, but it is a lot of fun. And for the first time ever I beat Wes. I'm sure it was because he was videotaping, but I'm going to take the win anyway. Either way, these 2 rides are right next door to each other and they're a lot of fun, so 2 thumbs up.